The fate of former President Donald Trump, now criminal defendant, is in the hands of a Manhattan jury. 7 men and 5 women will decide if Mr. Trump was part of an unlawful scheme to falsify business records to cover up huge money paid to an adult film star. Ryan Nelson joins us live from the newsroom with where deliberations stand tonight. Ryan.
Yes, the jury called the bailiff into the deliberation room not to say that they had reached a verdict, but with questions about the judge's instructions and to request a readback of testimony. Jury deliberations wrapping up Wednesday afternoon in former President Trump's hush money case, the first trial of an American president. 7 men and 5 women deliberating for roughly 4.5 hours after sitting through more than an hour of complex instructions from the judge, who told the Manhattan jury to set aside any bias for or against Mr. Trump and to not ignore any evidence simply because you want the trial to end. Judge Juan Merchan walking jurors through each of the 34 counts Mr. Trump faces for allegedly falsifying his business records to cover up Michael Cohen's payoff of a porn star on the eve of the 2016 election, which Mr. Trump denies. The charge, normally a misdemeanor, raised to a low-level felony here because prosecutors argued the allegedly doctored records were meant to cover up another crime, in this case, a conspiracy to promote Mr. Trump's candidacy in 2016 through, quote, unlawful means. At trial, prosecutors raised possible violations of multiple other laws that could qualify as those unlawful means, including campaign finance violations Mr. Trump was never charged with. The judge instructing the jury Wednesday that to reach a guilty verdict, they need not be unanimous about which unlawful means triggers that felony, a major advantage for prosecutors.
It's a disgrace, and I mean that. Mother Teresa could not beat those charges, but we'll see. I just want to say it's a very unfair trial.
The jury asking for a readback of certain testimony from the very first witness, tabloid boss David Pecker, as well as Cohen. And if convicted, he faces anywhere from 4 years in prison to just probation. And the presumptive GOP nominee can still be elected president, even if he's found guilty. Court's going to pick up Thursday morning at 9:30. Live from the newsroom, Ryan Nelson, NBC6 News.